Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Slim Reshae here, aka Jasmine, and I am back with another video. Today's video will be this braid out featuring some Lotta body products. So if you're interested in this video, please keep on watching. Alright guys, so I'm starting off with freshly washed hair. There is no product in my hair and it's just a little bit damp. So the first product we're going to use today is the Lotta Body Milk and Honey Elongate Me Curl Stretcher. So this product claims to lock in moisture and helps with anti-shrinkage, so elongating your curls. So I'm going to start off by, right now I have a middle part, and I'm just going to part that all the way to the back of my head. And on this side, I'm going to separate it into two halves as well. And then we're just gonna start applying the Elongate Me Curl Stretcher. This is what it looks like. And then they did provide a styling comb set. So we have like a rat tooth comb and a wide tooth comb. So I'm gonna use the wide tooth comb to start detangling, and then a shampoo brush to further detangle. So to add some hold, we're going to use the Milk and Honey Hold Me Maximum Hold Styling Gel. This is also from Lotta Body. And we're not going to use too much, but we're just going to use about that much on this section of the hair. So from here, I am just going to section off the top part so we can do a cornrow or a French braid down the back. So once I get to the braid part, I'm just going to take a moment to detangle the bottom portion of my hair. Okay, so less is more definitely with this product, because you see I do have some product buildup within the braid, but that should dry down and it shouldn't be any problem. So I'm just gonna leave my hair like this on the ends since it's curled up pretty much on its own, and then I'm gonna go ahead and do this top one. Making sure we get that gel right here at the front, because we are going to keep in a little bit of the braid for this braid out. So for this style, we're going to start braiding right at the widow's peak. So we want the braid to look presentable, because this part is going to actually be showing. Also gonna go ahead and lay the edges so that they're set in place as well. Just some big swoops, and then I'm just gonna do this same thing, the two braids on the other side. Okay, so this is what the braids look like from the front. We got our two braids right here. Baby hairs are done. And this is what the back of the hair looks like. As of right now, my current views on the products, I would be interested to see how this gel works in a wash and go, because it feels like it has a good hold, but it's not like that crunchy hold. It's a like lightweight but secure hold. So I feel like this would be very good for a wash and go, so I might have to try that out. And then the Elongate Curl Stretcher feels like a great product for like twist outs. So I'm super excited to see the results of this, because right now my hair has a lot of sheen. It looks very healthy, moisturized. So I'm hoping once this dries, we have some good results. All I'm gonna do is let this dry overnight. Since my hair was damp at the beginning, I'm pretty sure it's not gonna dry within the next couple of hours, so I'm just gonna put on a do-rag at night. If you want to, you can add some like foam mousse, setting mousse on top of your hair before you put your do-rag on, but other than that, I'm just gonna put a do-rag on, sleep in this overnight, and I'll see y'all in the morning. If your ends do not curl up like this, feel free to put some perm rods on the ends so you can make sure the ends of your hair are curly. So I'll see y'all in the morning. It is the next day and my hair is fully dry, and all I did was band my braids together while I did my makeup so it could kind of elongate my hair, make sure we don't have too much shrinkage, and the curls on the end are still pretty much intact on both sides. So I'm gonna take out the back too. You can feel free to add some oil to your fingers while you take the braids down, just to kind of help smooth out any frizz. And I'm just gonna kind of be gentle while we're taking this out, because you want to try to preserve the ends of the hair as well as the curls from the braid. As you start unraveling the cornrow part, it kind of starts separating the braid for you, and you just want to gently separate the curls, and you want to take that all the way out. This is what it's looking like, and I'm gonna go ahead and separate just a little bit. And from the back, you can go ahead and start kind of combing this together, picking it out if you will. And then at the front, we're gonna take these braids out as well, but we're gonna leave a little bit of the cornrows still in. So far, the products work well together. I don't see any like flaking or anything, and my hair looks shiny, which I'm loving. It looks very healthy and full. So I'm going to take out the braid to where there's about maybe 2 inches left of the cornrow. So like right about here, wherever you want your hair to kind of fall on your face. So if you want it to fall further in the middle, you could take out a little bit more to where that piece will fall closer to your eye. But from there, I'm just gonna kind of fluff, stretch like so, and I'm gonna do the same thing on this side. So this is what it is looking like, and I personally like to stretch my hair a little bit, so I'm gonna go off camera and stretch my hair a little bit, and then I'll show you the final results. Okay guys, so this is what my hair looks like after I stretched it a little bit, and I like it. I think over the days it'll definitely grow. I know it'll grow just by like picking it out. So this is like one of my easier braid outs that I like to do, because it doesn't take as much effort as it does if you do individual braids. So that's why I like doing the 4 cornrows. And then over time, if you want to take out this braid part, you definitely can and just have it all out. And it'll still look fresh because up here is braided. And to preserve this overnight, you can braid your hair back down into 2 big cornrows, or you can put it in a puff at the top like this. This also makes for a nice bun if you're not feeling out how it looks when it's down. And then I also will do a bubble ponytail or a banded ponytail to stretch the hair. So when I stretched it off camera, all I did was put it in a banded ponytail and then blow dry the ponytail a little bit. And this is what we got. And you definitely can pick it out for more volume. Again, this is technically day 1 hair. So shout out to Lotta Body for sponsoring this video. Thank you guys so much for sending me the milk and honey products, and I hope you guys try these products out. I'll link them in the description box below. Let me know if you have any questions and if you like this hairstyle. I love you guys so much. Make sure if you're not subscribed, subscribe down below and join the gym squad. That basically means you are joining a community of people who are committed to loving themselves authentically and living a positive life. So make sure you go ahead and subscribe and like this video. And without further ado, y'all never forget, at the end of the day, without regrets, love yourself and be you, Tiffle. Bye guys.